Welcome back to Bloom. Did you know that each day 43 kids in the U.S. are expected to be diagnosed with cancer? The National Pediatric Cancer Foundation believes that's too many and has launched a Cooking Funds the Cure campaign. And joining us now via Zoom is celebrity chef and MPCF ambassador Katie Chen, along with her daughter Becca. Hey guys. And right here in the Bloom kitchen with us is pediatric warrior Alison, who battled acute lymphoblastic leukemia and is here to cook with Katie Chen and her daughter. And I'm going to be the sous chef and just kind of help out. So Katie, before we get started cooking, what inspired you to become the National Pediatric Cancer Foundation's culinary ambassador?
Well, my parents both passed away due to cancer, so it's a really important cause for me. And I also just believe in teaching people how to nourish their bodies with all sorts of cancer-fighting foods.
Well, you and I share that in common with our parents, so I'm such an honor and privilege to be cooking with you. Alison and I are super excited. What are we going to be making today?
Hi, Gayle and Alison. Well, we are making some delicious Sunrise Chia Pudding Parfaits because chia seeds, these pack a mighty punch. They're an amazing superfood with lots of antioxidants and all sorts of nutrients and vitamins, right, Becca?
All right, so what do we put in first?
All right, well, we're going to teach you how to make the pudding first. Becca, take it away.
Okay.
Okay, so we have some almond milk. You can use coconut milk or regular milk.
Okay.
And you're just going to put some maple syrup, a little bit of salt, and then some vanilla extract.
You can put in the salt.
And we're going to stir that all together first.
We're just going to whisk that up.
You can put it in.
Now?
Mm-hmm.
Now,
You put this
Alison's wearing cat ears,
Yes,
so she should whisk that, right? Because she's got whiskers.
Yes, I see what you did there, and I like it. She is going to be our official whisker, but I'm letting her add some ingredients in.
Oh, no.
Oh, that's
That's
okay.
fine on me.
That's quite all right. Here, I'll get you something to wipe your little hands with, or I won't. Here.
Good job, Alison. You're doing great.
You can whisk away, sweetie. There you go. Yep. Just put it right there on the Bloom apron. That's what it's for. All right,
And
so
then,
she's whisking.
Becca, what goes next?
Then you're going to just add your chia seeds to the mixture. And then you're just going to whisk that all together.
All right. She's
Whisk
whisking.
it real good, Alison.
Isn't she doing a great job?
Great job. You're putting some muscle into that. I love it. I love it. And then once all the ingredients are whisked together, you just cover it and stick it in the fridge overnight.
See what?
So that that pudding consistency can meld together. But of course, through the magic of TV, we already have some ready to go, right, Gayle and Alison?
Yes, and you know what Alison just told me? She whispered to me that it smells so good.
It's like eating dessert for breakfast, which I love, but it's so healthful and nutritious. So now that we have our chia pudding ready to go, we also have some sliced berries, we have blueberries, we have blackberries and strawberries, but you can use any combination that you'd like. Of course, these berries are also loaded with phytochemicals and cancer-fighting nutrients, which we love so much.
All right, so do we just layer?
Becca and Alison, you guys, Becca's going to show you how to construct our parfait.
All right.
Okay,
Grab
so
your
you're
little
just
thing.
going to take like a spoonful of your
Spoon.
pudding
Okay.
and put it in the bottom.
Okay. Start digging in.
And then you're just going to take some berries and then layer that on top.
Okay. Ooh, this look. Now you know you can put your berries in between. We're making almost like a.
Berries?
You can a couple
Do
of
you
And then you're
scoop
just
of
going to
this,
keep
and then
on
you can
repeating.
put any of your berries that you want in there. Like Alison likes blueberries and blackberries, and so I got the red fruit. I got the raspberries and the strawberries, and we're just layering away. So once you put
Oh,
your
I love that. I love that. You know, while you're doing that, especially because you love berries so much, Alison, Becca has a fruit joke for you.
all right, let's hear it.
Again, what's a ghost's favorite fruit?
What's a ghost's favorite fruit? It's a joke. We don't know.
Dragon
A
fruit?
dragon fruit?
A blueberry.
Oh, a blueberry. Ah.
Get
It's
it?
cute. We like it. That was a good one. That was a good one. Okay.
You know, Becca also
I'm
loves
more
dragon
berries
fruit.
than
So
mine.
this would also be delicious with dragon fruit. You can just cut it up in little cubes or something. I think would be so delicious. So you can use whatever fruit you like.
Well, we've got the finished product here, and I think it's so cool that you are helping out with the National PCF.org is where you need to go for information. But Cooking for a Cure is an amazing cause, and we're so excited that you are the ambassador. Thank you guys both, and Becca, you were awesome too. And let's give it up for our girl here. Nicely done.
Great
Yay.
job, Alison. You did so well. Looks so delicious, you guys.
All right. Thank you guys, and we're going to be back with more Bloom right after this.